Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you what to do if your apps are not resizing. This will both fix the issue that your apps won't resize at all or aren't resizing properly. So, at first you need to open the settings, and here you need to open display. Now scroll down just a little so that you can see aspect ratio. Find default application, like for example here we've got Netflix. You need to select either full screen or 4:3 or 16:9 if an app glitches when stretched across the whole screen. Of course, full screen should be working properly at all times. Nextly, we've got something in the advanced features section. Here labs, and now the first option we've got is multi-window for all apps. So it needs to be enabled. What it does, it forces all installed applications to resize dynamically in multitasking windows even if the app developer disabled it. So, apart from that, you need to open the display back again. I forgot about this feature actually, and that's why we're going back to the display. And here you need to scroll down till you see continue apps on cover screen. You need to have it enabled, set always. As you can see, you need to test now your application. If it works, that's nice, but if it doesn't, you need to either restart your phone or perform a factory reset to reset completely all these software bugs, because now after all the changes in the Android, we can't just clear the cache to have all the things refreshed. So it's either you're restarting your phone or you're performing a factory reset. If it still doesn't want to work, you need to contact device support. Bye!